Welcome to Atom Quiz. Let's explore physics with a fun quiz. Learn about gravity, energy, and more. Let's begin. What do we call materials that let some light pass through? Translucent materials. Fact: frosted glass and paper are examples of translucent materials. What happens to light when it hits a mirror? It reflects. Fact: reflection allows us to see our image in mirrors. What is the source of light in a flashlight? A bulb. Fact: flashlights use batteries to power the bulb. What forms when light is bent through a prism? A rainbow. Fact: a prism separates white light into its 7 colors. What do we call objects that block all light? Opaque objects. Fact: wood, metal, and stone are examples of opaque objects. What force slows down a bicycle when you apply brakes? Friction. Fact: friction occurs when two surfaces rub against each other. What do you call the push or pull on an object? Force. Fact: force can make objects start moving, stop, or change direction. What is the term for an object's resistance to change its motion? Inertia. Fact: a ball will stay still unless you push it, thanks to inertia. What simple machine helps lift heavy objects with less force? A lever. Fact: a seesaw is an example of a lever in action. What force makes things fall to the ground? Gravity. Fact: gravity acts on all objects, no matter how big or small they are. What travels faster, light or sound? Light. Fact: light travels at 299,792 kilometers per second, while sound travels at around 343 meters per second in air. What is the natural source of light on Earth? The sun. Fact: the sun is a massive ball of burning gases that provides light and heat to Earth. What happens to a shadow when you move closer to a light source? Shadow gets bigger. Fact: shadows form because light cannot pass through objects. What are the 3 states of matter? Solid, liquid, and gas. Fact: matter changes state when heated or cooled. For example, water turns into ice or steam. What force pulls objects down toward the Earth? Gravity. Fact: gravity is the force that keeps us on the ground and holds the planets in orbit around the sun. What simple machine is used to lift a flag up a flagpole? gravity makes lifting heavy objects easier. What is the invisible air around us called? Atmosphere. Fact: the atmosphere is made of gases like oxygen and nitrogen. What kind of energy powers a windmill? Wind energy. Fact: wind energy is a renewable resource. What makes magnets stick to metal? Magnetic force. Fact: magnets have two poles, north and south, and opposites attract. What do we call the loudness or softness of a sound? Volume. Fact: turning the knob on a speaker can increase or decrease the volume. What part of your body helps you hear sound? Ears. Fact: the eardrum vibrates when sound waves hit it. What travels faster, sound in air or sound in water? Sound in water. Fact: sound travels about 4 times faster in water than in air. What do we call a sound that is too high for humans to hear? Ultrasound. Fact: bats use ultrasound to navigate and find food. What causes sound? Vibrations. Fact: when you pluck a guitar string, it vibrates and produces sound. What type of energy powers electrical appliances? Electrical energy. Fact: electricity flows through wires to power devices like fans and TVs. What is the energy of objects at rest called? Potential energy. Fact: a stretched rubber band has potential energy. What type of energy is stored in food? Chemical energy. Fact: our bodies use chemical energy from food to function. What type of energy does a moving car have? Kinetic energy. Fact: anything that moves has kinetic energy. What is the energy called that comes from the sun? Solar energy. Fact: solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. What keeps the Earth orbiting around the sun? Gravity. Fact: the sun's gravity keeps all the planets in the solar system in orbit. Great job, everyone! You've learned so much about physics today, from how shadows work to why gravity keeps us on the ground. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun quizzes and science adventures. See you next time!